Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use chlorophyll liquid drops. To begin, simply add about 15 to 30 drops into a glass containing 8 ounces of water or your favorite juice. Stir it well until fully combined. Most adults find 1 to 2 servings per day to be a good starting point for incorporating this green goodness into their routine. It's a simple addition to your daily hydration. For optimal absorption, many people prefer to consume their chlorophyll drops first thing in the morning, perhaps on an empty stomach. You can mix it with plain water, blend it into a smoothie, or add it to a clear juice like apple or pineapple. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate it into your daily routine at a similar time each day to help you remember. Many individuals use chlorophyll for its potential benefits, such as supporting natural detoxification processes and promoting clearer skin. While generally safe, some people might experience mild side effects like temporary stomach upset or a harmless green discoloration of stools. It is always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions. To maintain the potency and freshness of your liquid chlorophyll, store the bottle in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight and heat. When choosing a product, look for those containing pure chlorophyllin and minimal artificial ingredients. Once opened, it is generally recommended to use the bottle within about 6 months to ensure you are getting the most effective supplement. Always check the expiration date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.